Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned quantum theory, quantum mechanical model, and modern concepts of atomic structure. In the present class, we discuss quantum numbers and significance of the quantum numbers. Quantum numbers. Each electron in an atom is described by a set of numbers n, ls, ml, and ms. These numbers are called quantum numbers. These numbers indicate the probability of finding the electron in the space around the nucleus. The quantum numbers describe the space around the nucleus where the electrons are found and also their energies. The space around the nucleus where electrons are found are called atomic orbitals. Now we discuss the different quantum numbers and their possible values. First one, principal quantum number. Niels Bohr proposed this quantum number. The principal quantum number is related to the size and energy of the main shell. N has positive integral values of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. As n increases, the shells become larger and the electrons in those shells are further from the nucleus. As increase in n also means higher energy. That means as the n value increases, the size and energy of the orbit also increases. The number of sub-energy levels in a given shell is equal to n square. Example, if n equals to k, the number of sub-energy levels in first shell is 1 square equals to 1. The number of sub-energy levels in k shell is 1. If n equals to 2, L shell, the number of sub-energy levels in second shell is 2 square, that is equal to 4. The number of sub-energy levels in first shell is 1, second shell is 4, third shell is 9 and fourth shell is 16. Angular momentum quantum number. Sommerfeld proposed angular momentum quantum number as a result of elliptical orbits. It is also known as azimuthal quantum number or subsidiary quantum number. The electrons in atoms are grouped not only in main energy levels n but also into sub-energy levels. It is designated as L and L can take values 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n-1. The maximum value of L for a given principal quantum number n is n-1. For example, if n equals to 3, the maximum value of L is 2. For n equals to 3, what are the possible L values? 0, 1, 2. Minimum value of L is 0. Maximum value of L is n-1. If n equals to 2, what are the minimum and maximum values of L? Minimum value of L equals to 0. Maximum value of L equals to 1. L gives information regarding the shape of the substationary state or subshell. For various L values, the subshells are named as follows. For L equals to 0, the subshell is named as S. For L equals to 1, P. For L equals to 2, the subshell name is D. And for L value 3, the subshell is named as F. When n equals to 1, there is only one subshell with L equals to 0, that is 1s orbital. When n is equals to 2, there are two subshells with L equals to 0 and with L equals to 1. With L equals to 0 designated as 2s subshell and with L equals to 1 designated as 2p subshell. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number is proposed by Landé and it is designated by ml or m. The value of m depends on the value of L. For a given L value, ml can have 2L plus 1 values from minus L to plus L including 0. When L equals to 3, ml can take up 7 values. 2L plus 1 by placing 3 in the place of L, we get 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 equals to 7. What are the 7 values? Minus 3 to plus 3. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Total 7 values. If L equals to 2, how many values? ml can take 5 values. These subshells have same energy in the absence of magnetic field. For instance, the 3 subshells present in P have same energy in the absence of magnetic field. Subshells or orbitals having same energy are called degenerate subshells or degenerate orbitals. Three p orbitals, 5 d orbitals and 7 f orbitals are called degenerate orbitals. The number of electrons in a subshell is 2 times to the number of orbitals in the subshell. Children, observe the third row and fourth row here in the table. The number of electrons in a subshell is 2 times to the number of orbitals in the subshell. For example, number of degenerate orbitals 1, then maximum number of electrons equals to 2. If number of degenerate orbitals 3, the maximum number of electrons are 3 into 2, that is 6. That is, number of electrons in a subshell equals to 2 into number of suborbitals. Example, number of electron in D subshell equals to 2 into 5, that is equal to 10 electrons. When an atom is placed in an external magnetic field, the electrons present in different subshells orient in different ways along x, y and z axis depending on their energies. Observe the diagram carefully. This diagram shows orientation of electron in substationary states under the influence of magnetic field for L equals to 1, that is p orbital. This diagram shows orientation of p orbital. First one is the 3 degenerate suborbitals in the absence of magnetic field. Second one is orientation of 3 suborbitals in the presence of magnetic field. Third one, ml values for p orbital, that is minus 1, 0, 1. Table showing shells, subshells and number of orbitals. Observe this table, children. Main shell n equals to 1. L value for n equals to 1 is 0. M value also 0. Number of subshells is 1s with L equals to 0. Number of orbitals also 1. For n equals to 2, there exist two L values 0 and 1. For L equals to 0, M value 0, 1 subshell 2s, number of orbitals 1. In the second shell, for L equals to 1, M can take values minus 1, 0, plus 1, total 3 values, that is subshell, 2p subshell, number of orbitals 3. Similarly, you can understand remaining also. Spin quantum number. In 1925, George Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Schmidt suggested that a moving electron in an orbit revolves or spins on its own axis. This is similar to the Earth revolving on its own axis and also revolving around the Sun. Such a spin would contribute to the angular momentum of the electron. The electron can spin clockwise or anti-clockwise, and this is represented as up arrow and down arrow respectively. For a clockwise spin, up arrow. For anti-clockwise spin, down arrow. The spin energy of electrons also is quantized in units of half integrals. N can take only two values, plus half or minus half. Quantized means restricted to only certain values. An orbital can accommodate two electrons provided their spins are opposite. If both are positive values, then the spins are parallel, otherwise the spins are anti-parallel. This quantum number represents the property of the electron and it is denoted by ms. The importance of the spin quantum number is seen when the electrons occupy specific orbitals in multi-electron atoms. So, the three quantum numbers n, L and ml describe the size, shape and orientation respectively of an atomic orbital in space. That means n describes the size and energy of the shell. L represents shape and ml represents orientation of the orbital in space. Thank you, children.